Hello, I'm Moodle and I'm going to deal about blocks. Blocks in Moodle are added features on Moodle that add extra information to the course. The blocks are usually found on the right-hand side and the left-hand side of your screen. To add the block, turn the editing on. An add block will appear at the bottom right. Add the block. And a number of blocks appear. Let's add the clock block. There's the block. So we can move the clock by using the cross icon. Blocks can be hidden by clicking this icon. Or we can unhide the block. By clicking the action icon, we can configure the block. Visible clock, show the clock on the server. Show the day on the clock, you can say yes or no. Show the second, you can say yes or no. And after doing all this, then you should save the block. I'm not saving. I'm going to cancel this block. I'm going to cancel this configuration. Blocks can be hidden from the viewers. And by hovering over the block, we can even unhide the block. Show the clock, we can show the clock again. We can even dock the block by using this icon. And we can delete the block. Okay, I'm not going to delete the QR block. I want to delete the block that I've put in, delete the clock block from the screen. And then we have to confirm that you are deleting the block. Are you sure that you want to delete the block on the clock? Then I'll say yes to confirm that. And that's it. Thank you very much for your time.